Hello everyone, I am K1, welcome to my channel. This video marks the beginning of a long commitment by making this channel. And the goal here is to upload videos roughly every 2 weeks. There are a lot of nice channels out there, but I've always felt that it would be incredibly helpful for people that if someone can take a complex topic and put it into simple words. That's what I want this channel to be about. And as we progress together, as we grow together, then I will cover more advanced topics. But for the beginning, I just want to cover more basic topics and help juniors. But this is the idea here. This video is going to exist in the history of this channel. Just if someone down the road watches this video, they understand how the journey begins. And this might today arrived, and I said to myself that I need to prepare something and record it tomorrow. But to be honest, because this comes from the bottom of my heart, and I said I don't need to prepare anything, and I will record this video anyway. And thanks again for being here. I'm K1. Stay with me and grow with me.